Imagine you're texting a friend on Mars, and after a few minutes of silence, you realize they haven't ghosted you. It's just that their reply is light years away. Yes, folks, communication across the solar system isn't as instantaneous as streaming cat videos on Earth. Buckle up as we explore the fascinating delays in interplanetary communication. When we think about texting, we often take for granted how quickly our messages travel across the globe. In the blink of an eye, your words can reach a friend sitting halfway around the world. But what happens when that friend lives on another planet, like Mars? The answer lies in the vastness of space and the limits of light speed. Communication delay is primarily based on distance. It takes light approximately 13 minutes to travel from Earth to Mars when the two planets are closest to each other. That means, if you send a text to your Martian friend, you could be waiting for a response for a quarter of an hour, and that's under the best conditions. Just picture it. You send your message, and then you settle in for a long wait, similar to waiting for your friend to finish a Netflix episode before they can text you back. Unlike the swift exchanges we enjoy on our smartphones, interplanetary communication involves a significant time lag that can feel like an eternity. Now, let's consider the vastness of space itself. Space is so empty and expansive that if you dropped a penny in it, you would need to send a probe just to find it again. It's not just the distance between Earth and Mars that complicates communication. It's the sheer emptiness of the cosmos that makes every interaction feel like an epic journey. The distances we're dealing with are incomprehensibly large. For instance, at its farthest, Mars can be nearly 250 million miles away from Earth. This immense separation means that even the speed of light, the fastest thing in the universe, can take significant time to bridge the gap. As if that weren't enough, we encounter the issue of signal degradation. Ever tried to make a call from a basement or an underground location? Now imagine trying to communicate from the surface of another planet. The challenges are multiplied. The atmosphere of Mars, while thin, can still interfere with signals, and the technology we rely on must work flawlessly over such incredible distances. The spacecraft we use to send and receive messages are equipped with powerful antennas, but even the best technology has its limits. The signals can weaken as they travel, leading to delays or even loss of communication altogether. This brings us to a running gag about cosmic lag that many of us can relate to. We all have that one friend who always takes ages to reply, making you question whether they're actually on Mars. You might find yourself staring at your phone, wondering if they're busy or simply ignoring you. In a way, this cosmic lag is a humorous reflection of our daily tech struggles. Just like waiting for your friend to respond, sending a message to Mars can feel like an exercise in patience. When we consider the complexities of interplanetary communication, it makes us appreciate our daily tech struggles even more. It's like waiting for a reply from a slow Wi-Fi connection, but on a cosmic scale. The challenges faced by scientists and engineers working on missions to Mars are immense. They must ensure that each message sent is clear and concise, knowing that any miscommunication could lead to significant setbacks in their research. The meticulous planning that goes into every communication attempt is a testament to the dedication and ingenuity of those involved in space exploration. In addition to the technical challenges, there are also fascinating historical contexts to consider. The first successful communication with Mars was achieved during NASA's Mariner 4 mission in 1965. This historic flyby sent back the first images of the Martian surface, marking a significant milestone in space exploration. Since then, our ability to communicate with Mars has evolved dramatically, with more advanced technologies enabling clearer and more reliable signals. Yet, despite these advancements, the fundamental laws of physics remain unchanged. The speed of light is still our limiting factor, reminding us that even in the age of technology, we are bound by the universe's rules. As we delve deeper into the science of interplanetary communication, it's intriguing to note how similar it is to communication here on Earth. Just as we rely on satellites and towers to send messages across vast distances, spacecraft use similar technology to connect with mission control. The difference lies in the scale of the distances involved. While a signal might take milliseconds to reach a neighboring city, it can take several minutes to reach Mars. This reality shapes how scientists plan their missions and conduct experiments, knowing that a simple question can take time to receive a response. Moreover, the technology we use to communicate with Mars isn't just about sending text messages. It encompasses a wide range of communication methods, from sending data about the Martian atmosphere to relaying images and scientific findings back to Earth. Each of these messages requires careful consideration of timing and clarity. Scientists must anticipate potential delays and account for them in their planning. The intricate dance of communication across such distances is a marvel of modern science, showcasing our ability to reach out and connect with distant worlds. As we reflect on these cosmic communication challenges, it's also essential to appreciate the role of curiosity in driving exploration. Humanity's desire to reach out to other planets is fueled by a fundamental need to understand our place in the universe. Every text we send to Mars, every signal we receive, is part of a larger quest for knowledge. It's a reminder that we are not alone in our journey through the cosmos, and that the universe holds many secrets waiting to be uncovered. So next time you wonder why your texts to Mars take so long, just remember, the universe is vast, communication is complicated, and your friend really might just be on the other side of a cosmic delay. The challenges of sending and receiving messages across such distances remind us of the beauty and complexity of our universe. It's a delicate balance of technology, physics, and human curiosity that makes interplanetary communication possible, even if it takes a little longer than we'd like. As we close this exploration of interplanetary communication, consider how these cosmic delays reflect our own lives. In a world where instant gratification is the norm, waiting for a response can feel frustrating. Yet, just as we navigate the delays in our daily interactions, we can find comfort in the knowledge that the same principles apply to our connections with the cosmos. The next time you find yourself waiting for a text, think of the Martian distance and the time it takes for light to travel across the solar system. In the grand scheme of things, every moment of waiting is part of a larger journey. The anticipation of a reply, whether from a friend or a distant planet, is a reminder of the connections we share. It teaches us patience and appreciation for the technology that enables our communication, both on Earth and beyond. As we gaze at the stars, we are reminded that we are all part of this vast universe, interconnected in ways we are only beginning to understand. So as you drift off to sleep tonight, let your mind wander to the wonders of space. Think about the signals sent across the void, the messages exchanged, and the exciting discoveries waiting to be made. The universe is a vast tapestry of connections, and every text, every signal, is a thread woven into that fabric. Allow yourself to dream of distant worlds and the cosmic conversations that take place in the silence of space. Rest easy, knowing that while communication with Mars may take time, the journey is as important as the destination. The next time you find yourself waiting for a reply, remember the vast distances that separate us, and the incredible efforts made to bridge those gaps. Embrace the cosmic lag and the beauty of patience, for it is in these moments that we truly appreciate the wonders of our universe. So as you close your eyes and relax into sleep, think of the Martian texts waiting to be sent, the replies that will eventually come, and the mysteries of the cosmos that continue to inspire us. The universe is vast, and communication may be complicated, but the connections we seek are always worth the wait. Sweet dreams.